Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, we are going to learn something very interesting, yet very easy. This is about generating the fake or dummy dataset by yourself with Python. Many a times we need a dummy dataset for our operations and we may not be able to spot it immediately, or generating it in your own Excel sheet will be very difficult. So Python gets you an opportunity to do that with a faker library, Faker. This is not a very a standard library, but you need to install it. So you can go ahead and pip install faker. That's the first step that you need to do, pip install faker. The moment you do that, you will be provided with fake data generation very clearly, which can include the name, date of birth, address, mail ID, country, city, everything can be generated. And importantly, you can generate this data based on the locality as well. For example, by default, it will be US English. You can also select the data. You can also generate the data in such a way that it is for India. So you can generate Indianized data. You can generate any country's data. It's going to be very easy for you. I'll show you all those. And this is very easy. So I'm going to show you the demo right now. I hope you will definitely like it. Now you see that here we have got first the pip install faker done. So once this is done, from faker, you need to import faker. So see the spelling, F alone should be in the uppercase. Now I create an instance, fake underscore data equal to faker of. Now print name. I need name, which is a fake data, which is a dummy data. So fake underscore data is the instance dot name. Now fake underscore data dot date of birth. Fake underscore data dot address. Fake underscore data dot email. Likewise, we can keep generating the data which include even the city, country, everything can come in into picture. By default, as I told you, it's supposed American English. So I'm going to run it. We'll see if the data is generated. So you can see that here, name Robert Brown, date of birth something is coming, address something is coming, and mail ID is also coming. So this is a fake data that we are talking about. Well, it is time for us to go ahead and test how exactly it works with other languages. So I'm going to do that right now. Indianized languages is what we are going to take right now. So this is the one that I told you in the previous one. So this is English US. Now what I do is I'm going to take Tamil. So TA represents Tamil and IN represents India. So TA underscore IN. Now the same data, whatever I gave here is what the same thing that I'm giving here. Let's see how exactly it works. I hope it works. And yes, you can see that the name has been printed in Tamil. Angammal Yuthika. Date of birth. Address 75 Nachinarki near Pillai. So this is amazing, right? So you can use this data and this helps you in generating fake data. Can we try for Hindi once? So we will make this as HI, first two characters. So let's run it. You can see that here we got it in Hindi. So that's it. It's very easy, right? Give it a try, and if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to answer you. Thank you.